they want to buy these apartments or these bungalows?
Well, I am sure, especially if you talk about the ladies, anybody's dream could be a bungalow or a villa like this. So yes, definitely, I would like to buy this. I want to live in nature. I'm sure everyone wants to live in nature nowadays.
Some more open space.
A little, yes. A broader and a brighter space where from there I can see skies of boys.
Let's check out the bungalows and villas. So go and check out the villas. I'm sure it would be exciting as Mr. Mukherjee was describing the slabs. It is for everyone.